but I never measure like that. I always combine dry with the wet, as Mary Berry would say. Incorporate all your ingredients, as Mary Berry would say. So I use a small amount.
Too much time watching Bake Off.
Hey, the financial assist director is a mate of mine. She went to art college with me.
Lovely.
Same. Anyway, so I won't name her, just in case you put this on photos. Anyway, so she's on photos. So anyway, so basically, she's alright. So I've just added a small amount of water there, because remember, if you put too much water, you have to add more grout. You can't take away, you can only add. It's one of those things with all things to do with, I can go faster just in case your film runs out. All things to do with making cement, making cake mixture, the whole lot. Chocolate, big cake actually. So basically, I'm adding enough water so that it looks like thick butter icing. So if I get everyone to have a mixture of that. Alright. Yep.
I'm good.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, so okay, so what I've got here is a rubber kidney. And it's on your list. And a rubber kidney is a soft, malleable piece of rubber, kidney shaped, ergo. So it's used for ceramics to smooth down your pottery when it's on the wheel. But it's also perfect for grouting. Now some people would use their fingers, and that's absolutely perfectly acceptable with gloved hands, of course, match.
I used to do that when you're just tiling. It's much easier to do fingers than anything else, isn't it?
Yeah. But with this, it's good because it doesn't create. You don't get any scratch, and it's smooth, and it actually helps you to spread it about a bit, ladies. Just saying. Flora, just saying. Anyway, so. This is what mango mosaic really like.
Where's the posh voice come from all of a
I
sudden?
don't know. Actually, that's my real voice.
No, it's not.
I am actually the queen. I was really hoping the hip wouldn't work. Okay, so anyway. Royal joke then. Anyway, so right, royal joke. Sorry. Can you see how I'm doing it? What I'm doing basically is spreading it over, but then going into the area.
I presume you want to make sure there's no air bubbles or whatever in there.
There won't be any. Yeah. And also, you see, when it starts to cure, you're sort of excavating all the bits as well. That's why it's always a good idea to take a photograph like I did right at the beginning, so that you could compare and contrast what it was like before grouting, just in case you've got some little embellishment that you can't remember, was it there or was it not? Now, when you mix a batch of grout, it has a half hour going off point. But as you can see, I'm not worried. We don't have to rush it. We just take our time with it. Yes, darling.
For those that have been missing this, it's looked like a fish as a standing joke today.
It's a fish! It's a fish! It's a Nadia thing, guys. It's a Nadia.
Oh!
Yes, look. Oh. It's an angelfish. It's a thing.
My ball's been turned into a fish, I'm upset.
Your what's
Bullfish.
turned it? Oh, your ball. So what I'm doing here, because I haven't got lazy Susan, don't laugh. She got it, but anyway, nobody else. So what I'm doing here is like icing the edge of a cake. them very carefully on the edge. But the thing is, if you get it on the fly, you can choose to put it on the fly, or
Stick it on the fly then, please.
and
You know, ready.
and also you could sand it off if you choose not to have it on the fly thereafter. This reminds you of Tony Hawk.
Oh, it was brilliant.
Sorry, that was on film. Sorry. Right, proper artist, isn't he? He seemed, yeah, he seemed really gentle. Topography. I used to talk about topography and nobody got one saying it. Yeah. We used to have an Italian restaurant in Royton called Topography. Do you remember it? You wouldn't go to Royton. The best thing about Royton was the bus to get out. Sorry for all those Roytoners. Not. You know what I'm saying. Busy right now. It's on that side.
Here we go. Here.
See?
I can do both.
Happens, you see? That's what happens. Right, so I leave a little bit just in case. And what we're doing, we go behind the wall. We get brush this behind the front. Whoa! And everything falls, you see. You don't have to follow me. Yes. Right. So, when you're grouting, this is my method of work. You're going again. You've got all these lumpy bumpy bits. You're going again. Now, if you haven't got brushes, but you have got gloves, what you should do, because it is a soft combination of you should rub against it. I'm going against it now. Sometimes I'd leave it for a little while just so that it gets all dusty like that, and then carry on grouting. You don't have to do it this. I'm doing this for the benefit. No, I'm doing this for the benefit of young Paul having to whiz off, really. Hopefully we might have enough time for Shayla's mosaic to be grouted.
I'm not going to get them done anyway.
But I always encourage people to work right up to 4 o'clock without worrying about grouting, and then because usually at this time I show hours, so 20 till now.
only the basement was converted, it would be like mould if you came out with that sunshine.
Now, it might be the glue stuck on on the tile, but you know, you could clean that off the next day with those strips.
This is the end of the
End of the brush.
Alright, so it's just a piece of wood, is it?
Yeah.
You don't buy it like that.
I need an end of the brush, end of line brush. So it used to be a proper, like, yeah, well, you know, I got this in Aldi. Yeah, and it had, no, this is a glaze brush. Sorry, this used to be a glaze brush, and it used to be the one that I used to brush off all the excess clouds. And I love it so much that bit left, but this bit never left. Can you see? It's developing very nicely.
It's going to be gorgeous. Be proud of this, Paul. Stick it up on your
Yeah, you've done
on your
very
dresser.
well. You've done very well with the grouting.
Everybody's going to go,
So-
wow, that's a work of art. Who did that? And you're going to go, me.
What?
Yeah, on your own. On your own. Does that say anything?
Well, the thing is, you see, he's going to be doing this comedy. Whenever
Do you know what? I
we
think
are
this
all
is
going to be
his-
on the comedy.
I think so, and I think this is his material. I'm your material.
You are my material. Absolutely.
He's been mangoed.
You've been mango.
You never know, your teacher might say, we got to get her on the course. We got to get her being one of the 50 IUPs. So, if it's too stiff, what we could do is use this, and it won't scratch. It won't scratch your Mayday, but it will turn it up very nicely. And easily. Could you pass me my pin, please, my lovely? Thank you.
But it's just a dry
Like a
Dry
wine brush then.
shower.
Yeah, a dry one. Yeah, a dry one.
Actually, it's quite pussycat.
Don't say that. He's going to kill you.
I'm going to cry. And a bull. A bull can turn to a pussycat.
There's many an hour of practicing on that one.
Don't. The doctor, you know, he was a bull, but she said it was a pussycat. I don't know how she did it.
It's fun.
Fair.
It's
Transferred it.
Big horn. It's got very big horns, but
fun. Madam.
Madam.
What's it doing here?
Frankie Howard or Benny Hill?
Who's
Or
that?
Mrs. Frankie Howard.
Yeah,
wasn't
who
it?
Mrs. No, is it? Yeah. Yes,
Frankie
yes.
Howard.
Yes.
Ooh, madam.
Oh. And then it's all matron.
that's
Kenneth,
Kelly
Williams.
Williams.
Matron.
Infamy.
You obviously watch really classy TV.
All the reruns.
I have to say, I don't go on the TV.
There's two of us actually, I don't know. Yeah.
I gave mine up in 2010. What time? When you be home? Ditto. Yeah. I do use the iPlayer once in a while. Does your mum and dad mind that?
No, they love it.
They go to their friend's house quite regularly for the soaps.
No.
The soaps. it though.
Finishes it off, isn't it?
Yeah. See what I'm using my gloves because I thought it was important that if you haven't got any fancy pants objects like that,
Yeah.
or even rubber off your kidney,
Yeah.
estimate, it's unnecessary.
Absolutely fine.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is all there is to it.
How long will that take to actually dry? Roughly.
I take those like tomorrow. All done. And so what I do tomorrow, a couple of drops of washing up liquid. I use a soft sponge, like this, £1 for £5 for £1. Soft sponge, washing up liquid, under the tap, cleany, jobs are good. So it's Mango Mosaic. Find me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.